Alright, I was at the Home Depot the other day, walked in, saw these. They were buy one get one free, $25 for the pair, so they came in a handy 2-pack. So I've been needing new ones because all the ones I have are very old and blades are breaking and springs don't work and that sort of thing. So I saw a 2-for-1 pack. I thought, what the heck, I'd get them. Made by Milwaukee. Obviously they're not making these, they're importing them, and they're made in China to Milwaukee tool specification, professionally made in China, of course. They carry a limited lifetime warranty. They have, rather than the solid metal belt clip, they have a spring steel wire belt clip. They have a lock, but they don't have a spring tension lock or lever lock on the bottom. What they have is this finger stop. So when the tape is moving, you can put your finger there and it'll slow the tape down and stop it. You actually have markings on both sides of the tape, and which is handy. White on the back. It has a magnet on the tip right here, so it sets right on the top. It's riveted in with the clip. The clip hooks top or bottom, and it has the traditional nail loop in it. The magnet is very strong. It has a deep dish, concave dish to the blade. I've managed to get the blade out to 8 feet freestanding. Actually out to 9, but then it bends. A little bit past 9 it bends, and at 9 it's real wanky, but it will go out to 9 feet, pushing it straight out. So I'm out to the wall right now, and it's freestanding, and it's at 7 feet 8 inches, and I'm shaking it, and it's not bending yet. So you can see that in the tape that I'm giving it a pretty good shake, and it's still not bending. So it's a pretty good tape. They were, like I said, 25 bucks. They're a little on the heavy side. Let's see what the scale says. A little under a pound each, but very rugged, hard plastic case, a lot of rubber armor. All this black is rubberized armor. The lock works very efficiently, very smoothly, and the lock can also be used as a brake. If you don't have your finger on the bottom, you can put your thumb on the lock, and it'll act as a brake. The magnet is very strong. I've attached it to stuff, and it's hooked on nicely. Oh, that's stainless, so it's not going to hook to it. Don't have a piece of, oh, here. There, that's hooked on the magnet. So it took quite a bit for me to pop that magnet loose, and that was on a round pipe. That's hooked with the magnet. So that magnet's pretty stout. So it was a good deal. They're 25 feet each, and so 50 cents an inch if you want to look at it that way. All right, just thought I'd give you that quick tool review. It says here, nylon bonded blade protection, 2-sided printing, blueprint scale on the back. So that's what this red section is, blueprint scale. So if you're reading a blueprint, you can take a measurement on here and then mathematically calculate that out to full size, to full scale. And of course the finger stop, and it says a 5-point reinforced frame, and that's there's four bolts in to hold this thing tight, plus the clip bolts. So it's a pretty well built tape, I'd say. I have a feeling they're gonna last me a long time. It says up to 9 feet stand out. At 9 feet, like I said, it was starting to get pretty wanky, and they wanted to collapse easy. 8 feet is good and strong. So there you go. Like I said, magnetic. All right. Dan, Hardwood Hollow Skills channel. I'm out.